to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a real special one. This is getting ready for Australia Day, and what is more Australian than eating part of your coat of arms? Yes, I'm going to do some Kangaroo and an amazing Blueberry Jus. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I've got about 3/4 of a cup of beef stock. I'm just going to put that into a saucepan, and we're going to get that on the heat, get it happening, get some heat happening into that. We're going to add in around about half a punnet of blueberries. Fresh blueberries, not frozen. I was able to get them at the right price. Why not? 1 good heaped teaspoon of green peppercorns. They can go straight into our stock as well. Now you can see these berries are already starting to change colour. We're going to add a little bit more colour and a little bit more of great flavour. Pomegranate molasses. I'm putting in around about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons worth of that in there. Keep it a little bit sweet. We're going to add in maybe a teaspoon or 2 of some agave syrup, a natural sweetener. That can go straight in. Stir this from time to time. These berries will break down over a period of time. We want to really reduce this. Now, to give it a little bit more funk, here I've got a little handful of dark chocolate buttons. It's a little tip I learnt many years ago in making a sauce. It just gives it a little bit of bitterness, just takes the edge off. Now this, we don't want it too sweet, so we use the dark chocolate. That's what it does. Here's our Kangaroo steaks. I just bought those from my local supermarket. Yes, we can buy Kangaroo at our local supermarkets. We're going to season that up really well with some sea salt flakes, just like that. And the Kangaroo can actually handle quite a bit of salt and a bit of seasoning. We're going to add in freshly ground black pepper. Really give it a good dose of the black pepper. It just works perfectly with this dish. So just grind away. We're going to season both sides. So I'm adding a little extra seasoning. This is lemon myrtle, Australian bush spice. If you can find it, grab it. It tastes good in so many different meals, whether it be seafood or poultry or beef or lamb. It just tastes amazing. It's got a real nice zesty vibe to it. So give that a really good sprinkle on the one side. We're going to flip it over, and I'm going to go all again. Now, if you haven't had Kangaroo before, well, you do not know what you are missing. It's a little bit like venison. If you haven't had venison before, try Kangaroo first. It's a lot less expensive, and it's a very lean meat, so we have to be very careful in the way we cook this as well. So season your second side up, just like that. And Kangaroo is really high in protein, as I said, low in fat. So here I've got my hot plate on, nicely greased. I'm going to put our Kangaroo straight down on a very hot plate, and those are only going to take 3, maybe 4 minutes maximum on both sides, and that is it. If you cook it any longer than that, you might as well be eating a rubber tire, believe me. So just keep checking them. As I said, 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to take them off, let them rest for a good 10 minutes or so, and now we can plate up. Here I've got a nice big smear of whipped potatoes my Mrs. KP has put together for us, and all we're going to do is just cut our little tiny medallions and place that straight on top of the mashed potato. It is a marriage made in heaven, believe me. I had to come up with the sauce. No previous experience cooking with blueberries fresh like that, and it's just a case of working out what flavours are going to work with what other items, and I nailed it this time. If you follow my instructions on this, you will not be disappointed. If you're not game in trying to have a bit of Kangaroo, well, get some venison and try it with that. The sauce will work, believe me. It would also work really good on grilled chicken or even turkey. Just trust me on this one, the sauce is amazing. So we're just going to keep slicing this meat up as nice little thin pieces, and I'm going to serve this up with a nice little salad of arugula and other little herby type leaves like that. Now, before you know it, you're going to have the best Australia Day dinner ever. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy. Don't be daunted by the having to cook Kangaroo or venison. It is simple, you just got to do it hard and fast. Thank you so much for watching this video, I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment, I love reading and love responding to them. In the meantime, I'm off to eat my Kangaroo and Blueberry Jus, almost rhymes, and I will catch you next time. Bye!